it
I
is?
told Mom about it, then she's like, yeah, she's gonna see it.
Don't have to tell everything tomorrow. It's just gonna get us. Shalika still? Yeah, Shalika. I'm gonna put my Guys, peace. I need to go. Bye.